Hello and welcome to the online video for 16 Springfield Road here in King's Heath. Okay, then moving into the property, we have a vestibule which leads through to the main hallway, which has lovely mint and tile flooring and goes down to the dining kitchen, ground floor cloakroom. We have two reception rooms here on this floor, all of which is beautifully presented. So we have the first reception room here. Lovely features, including a large bay window. And then moving through to the second reception room. Again, fabulous fireplace and lovely bay window overlooking the rear garden. So then we have a cloakroom here on the left-hand side with toilet and wash basin. And then we also have the built-in understairs storage cupboard. And then through to the dining kitchen, and dining area first. And then through to the kitchen, which has integrated steam oven, cooker, gas hob, fridge freezer, washing machine and dishwasher. Then we have two sash style windows to the side, two good size Velux windows and bifolding doors leading out into the rear garden. And then up onto the first floor where we have 3 bedrooms, ensuite and a separate shower room. The shower room here. We also have the wall-mounted gas boiler located in this room. And from here we can see balcony area up to the second floor. And then straight ahead we have the main bedroom. Good range of fitted wardrobes and the sash style window to the front aspect. Also with the benefit of an ensuite shower room. With toilet, wash basin and fully tiled shower cubicle. And then across to the next bedroom. Okay, lovely polished wooden floorboards. And then from here we have a view across the garden. And then the third bedroom, again at the rear of the property. And again with a view across the garden. And then onto the second floor, we have a landing area with Velux window. Then we have 2 bedrooms and shower room. It's currently laid out as a bedroom and lounge. This first room here with a view to the front of the property. And then the next bedroom, which has a Velux and window to the rear aspect. Both really good sized rooms. And then we have the shower room, again nicely fitted, and another Velux window providing natural light. Okay, then moving outside into the garden, we have a good size decked seating area which steps down to this lovely main garden. It really does have a fantastic variety of plants and trees. Further decked seating area here to the rear. And that concludes the online viewing for this house. If you'd like to arrange a physical viewing, then please do contact the office as soon as you can, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks very much. Bye for now.